Welcome guests, we will now begin our assembly.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And the honor code? We, as members of the high school, agree to uphold the core values of respect, responsibility, honesty, and equality. We agree to always serve as a role model in the community. Thank you so much. Yes, feel free to fill in some of the extra seats in the back if you'd like. It's my pleasure to welcome you all here today as we take this moment together as a community to celebrate academic excellence. As is our tradition, I've invited a member of our senior class to speak to you all today. Will McDonough came to the Pine School when I started in fall of 2017. It's been my sincere pleasure to watch him grow and mature and become the accomplished academician he has. So without further ado, let me introduce to you Will McDonough.
Thank you, Mrs. Stafford. So, as she said, my name is Will McDonough, and I'm a senior this year. I've been at the Pine School since 6th grade, and just like everyone else, I faced a fair number of difficulties. Growing up is hard. Middle school is an awkward time. Trust me, I know. I literally had frosted tips in my hair. And high school is just plain difficult. The frosted tips are gone, but now I have to learn kinematics and physics and use gel electrophoresis in biology. But these challenges we face growing up make us who we are. All of us today are just a culmination of our past experiences, challenges, and triumphs. Let me just preface the rest of this speech by saying that challenges are an integral part of life. To learn and grow, you need to be challenged, although we don't really want to be challenged. Challenges don't discriminate. They'll test your limits and your boundaries, and it's important to know that every challenge is surmountable as soon as you change your perspective. The most prominent issue in my life is my hearing. For those who don't know, I'm deaf in my left ear, and my hearing is below baseline for my right ear. It took me 14 years to finally get a working hearing aid. And man, was it ugly. My main concern was not having an old man hearing aid, and I ended up with a contraption that wrapped around my entire head and randomly screeched in my ear. It didn't take long for my friends, and even a teacher or two, to figure out that by tapping the massive hearing aid, it made that loud shrieking noise in my ear. But when COVID came around, it was possible for me to both wear the huge hearing aid and a mask. This is when my true test came around. Without a hearing aid, the noise was gone. With masks, the opportunity to read people's lips was also gone. The second the mask went on, my world was plunged into radio silence. I felt hopeless. What was I meant to do? I had just entered high school, taking my first AP and honors classes. I could hardly hear the teacher most days. Every day, I was reteaching myself the content I missed just to keep up. School became more difficult than it needed to be, and I was working in overtime to learn. So I went to the audiologist. I was half expecting him to be trying to speak to me in sign language, I was so deaf. But I was finally presented with good options. After many uncomfortable surgeries, and finally receiving one of the old man hearing aids I was once so scared of, things became clear again. The years of silence were finally in the past. It felt as if every challenge I faced was now insignificant. And today, after 14 years of being a student, I can honestly attribute who I am today to the perseverance I had to show while growing up in silence. Looking back, there are 3 things I wish I'd focused on rather than dwelling on these negative aspects of life. Number 1, take control of the smaller challenges of life. Perhaps you can't stop drawing in class instead of taking notes. Turn your notes into a work of art using 8 different color markers. Perhaps you can't remember a due date if your life depended on it. Get a massive whiteboard calendar from Staples. Perhaps you can't stop scrolling endlessly on TikTok instead of learning your Spanish vocab. Switch the videos to be completely in Spanish. Number 2, be persistent. I can confidently say, without a doubt in my mind, that I was not very persistent. Besides working around my hearing difficulties, I had a very defeatist and unconfident attitude towards school. For some, myself included, learning is not always fun, but I urge you to show persistence. Keep trying hard with your work and turn it into something you can enjoy. Or, at the very least, be proud enough to say, yeah, I did that. Number 3, in the wise words of Omni Galbraith, it's perfectly fine not to give 100% all the time. Persistence does not require soul-crushing effort. Some days, 40% of your effort is for school. 30% of your effort is figuring out how to ask that one person to homecoming. 5% of your effort is focused on what's for lunch. And the last 25% is just begging to go home and go to sleep. And that is perfectly fine. What's most important is that if you only have limited effort to give all the effort you possibly can. So for those who are tuned out for this whole speech, or are a little deaf like me, there are a few things I want you all to take away. We're all unique, and our individual challenges makes us stronger and more resilient. Take control of them, push through them, and give all the effort you're capable of. I urge you all to start to take control early, before you're standing up where I am now in your final year, wishing you started a little bit earlier. Also, don't get frosty tips in your hair. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Will, for that inspirational message and good peer advice. We're now going to present our honor roll certificates to our recipients. And what I appreciate so much about Will's message is we now honor students who have achieved what they have from last semester. You each approach your academic journey in a unique way. So whatever honor you might receive today, whatever it is you're going to recommit yourself to for the semester ahead, it's up to you to define that unique challenge and celebrate the growth that you show yourself. So to begin our celebration of academic achievement, I'd like to invite Mr. Jonathan Tulliver, our middle school director, to the podium.
Good morning. Good morning. As a reminder, we will have 2 levels of honor roll recognition, faculty and head of school. We will begin by recognizing our faculty honor roll recipients. Students, as I read your names, please come to the front and accept your honor roll card. The criteria for faculty honor roll 5th through 8th grade is a B class average with no individual class below a B minus. 5th grade spring 2023 faculty honor roll recipients are Finn Berry, Valentina Cabral, Sloan Cornea, Izzy Devane, Nicholas Gomez, Sophia Fiorella, Joey Gaza, Sophia Gillen, Elle Gleason, Leah Pigney, Parker Katz, Morgan McNicholas, Michael Millington, Lila Stevens, and Colt Turner. Congratulations. sixth grade spring 2023 faculty honor recipients are Anna Grace Birmingham, Noah Castellanos, Sophia Castro, Luke Gray, Ben Langton, Caroline McDonough, Anna McNair, Sophia O'Brien, Gavin Oliver, Aviana Rossi, Carson Schroeder, Danny Sheehan, Tessa Tao, Elia Tisdale, and Jake Walsh. Our seventh grade spring 2023 faculty honorable recipients are Hassan Ali, Jackson Brandon, Logan Bryant, Bella Burns, Charles Bush, Olivia Safari, Bryce Corey, James Corey, Tanner Crawford, Mackenzie Goodale, Tucker Hughes, Tyler Murray, Sophia Pedroni, Ruby Smith, Liam Sklar, Emma Carter-Gilbert, Sydney Troop, and Charlie Young. Congratulations, recipient. Eighth grade spring 2023 faculty honorable recipients are Harper Aberman, Elle Passion, Noah Caffrey, Kaylin Carlson, JT Cornell, Jaden Crenshaw, Daniel Sydney Katz, Hannah McMillan, Trevor Metzler, Elizabeth Moore, Yashvi Patel, Mamie Cole, Caroline Singleton, Aubrey Powell, Braden Thomas, and Celia Traylor. Congratulations, recipients. The criteria for head of school honor for 5th through 8th grade is an an A- class average with no individual class below an A-. 5th grade, spring 2023, head of school honorable recipients are Ruby Bradford, Miles Giovanni, Oliver Gomez, Natalie Megan, and Gracie Pagano. Congratulations, recipients may be seated. Sixth grade, spring 2023, head of school honorable recipients are Harper Berman, Alan Connolly, Carlisle Crook, Avery Cummings, Roxy Hester, Maya Johnson, Charlie Lauren, Caleb Olson, Seth Sloan, and Kalia Weed. Congratulations, Slack. Seventh grade, spring 2023, head of school honorable recipients are Noah Anderson, Michael Devaney, Mary Julian, Alanya Pedroni, Camille Solomon, Caroline Solomon, and Juliet Swan. Congratulations, recipients. And our 8th grade, spring 2023, head of school honor roll recipients are Diana Altschuler, Jillian Chaveni, Hope Katz, Max Lehman, Charlotte McElroy, Gianna Pagano, and Anna Sherman. Congrats to all our middle school.
Good morning. Upper school students, as I read your names, please come forward and accept your honor roll card. Please remain standing as we introduce the entire group. Criteria for faculty honor roll. For 9th and 10th grade is a 3.5 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 3.0. 9th grade, spring 2023, faculty honor roll recipients are Hayden Abisher, Jalen Anderson, Becca Basher, Lucy Diaz, Analisa Gomez, James Happy, Carter Hughes, Sophia Leach, Coda Loudon, Malia Millington, Aspen Schellenberg, Savannah Schellenberg, Lucy Scher, Lucas Sprague, Brody Starr, Travis Walker, and Shohan Kwong. Congratulations, 9th grade faculty. Tenth grade spring 2023 faculty honor roll recipients are Duke Delhenti, Duke Kilpana, Lee Singleton, Paris Sullivan, Richie Waxman. Criteria for faculty honor roll for 11th and 12th grade is a 3.5 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 3.5. 11th grade spring 2023 faculty honor roll recipients are Bug DeGeorge, Harper Grant, Ryan Lynch de Oliveira, Jack Meeks. Ava Pearl. Aubrey Williams. And Olivia Zacchia. Grade spring faculty honor. The criteria for head of school honor roll for 9th and 10th grade is a 4.0 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 3.7. 9th grade spring 2023 head of school honor roll recipients are Karen Becker, Jessa Bagaski, Max Brody, Abby Cornea, Jane Hadley Richfield, Peyton DeGeorge, Cameron Italiano, Ivy Julian, Katie Kozlowski, Ethan Murray, Aurora Phillips, Sean Renz, Elle Schwerin, Kate Simons, Alex Sprague, Carolina Swan. Congratulations, 9th grade head of school. 10th grade spring 2023 head of school honor roll recipients are Isabella Adler, Luke Altschuler, Shelby Carlstrom, Michael Safari, Lucas De Silva, Amber Dunlap, Caroline Fincher, Winter Hayes, Lily Crastel, Madeline McElroy, Tyra Hoffman, Cash Scala, Elena Schroeder, Sophia Sedelnik, Emily Shirk, Christina Shute, Genevieve Waters, John White. Congratulations, 10th grade. The criteria for head of school honor roll for 11th and 12th grade is a 4.0 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 4.0. 11th grade spring 2023 head of school honor roll recipients are Keziah Anderson, Zoe Berry, Emily Galbraith, Bella Crastel, Mel McDonald, Will McDonald. Each year, the College Board awards AP Scholar Awards to students who have taken a certain number of AP tests and earned a passing score of 3, 4, or 5. At this point, those of you who will get recognized, please stand and to be recognized. AP Scholar is a student who receives a 3 or higher on 3 or more AP exams in a given year. In addition to 6 members of the class of 2023, the following earned AP Scholar recognition: Harper Grant, Jasmine Reeves, Carter Polachek, and Olivia Zappia. AP Scholar with Honor are students who average a 3.25 on all AP exams and 3 or higher on 4 AP exams. The following earned AP Scholar with Honor recognition: Keziah Anderson, Annabelle Baldwin, Reese Hobbick, and Mel McDonald. AP Scholar with Distinction is students who average a 3.5 on all AP exams and scores a 3 or higher on 5 AP exams. In addition to 2 members of the class of 2023, the following students earned this distinction: Zoe Berry, Emily Galbraith, Isabella Crastel, Ryan Richdale Vera, and Will McDonald. As has become tradition, in order to jumpstart the blue and gold points for the year, students who took AP exams last year, including those who graduated, so it's a legacy you can leave behind, guys. You can earn 50 points if you get a 3, 75 points for a 4, and 100 points for a 5 on those AP exams. And the winner this year, so one team had 3,100 points, and the other team had 4,025. And kicking this off to jumpstart here for our blue and gold competition throughout the year, the winner of this competition is gold.
Thank you so much for being with us this morning as we gather as a community to celebrate all that we've accomplished academically. Students, if you're sitting here today setting a goal for yourself, looking at the semester ahead, know that we will again gather in January to celebrate our fall successes. I'd like to thank again Will McDonough for his wonderful speech. That was a great message. That we're finally sitting on a stage with curtains and lights. Let's give it up. I can't wait to see the art productions that are headed our way on this stage. So we are going to now dismiss and have a short break and make our way to our next class. To give you all directions, Mr. Carlson is coming forward. Please let him dismiss you. Parents and guests, you're welcome to leave at your leisure. Have a wonderful